Now that we've had some time to settle down and relax after yesterday's stormy weather, we can talk about some of the science that comes with storms in our atmosphere. The first thing you need to understand is that yesterday's weather was brought about by a cold front, which I'm sure we're all appreciating today as these temperatures are feeling a bit more mild. Of course, it brought some stormy weather, but it also led to an increase in condensation nucleation. Now, that's a fancy term, but let's talk about what it means. This is when a cold air wedge moves next to warm air. The more dense cold air forces that warm air to rise. And when it does so, that more saturated warm air binds with particles in the atmosphere called condensation nuclei. This can be soot, dust, or pollen. This all takes place with a chemical phase change moving our liquid water in that warmer air into vapor, and it gives us clouds. So in summation, it's a very fancy term that just describes when cold air meets warm air, how the warm air rises and then our water particles go through a chemical phase change from a liquid to a gas. Now, meteorologists call this condensation nucleation, but you might know it as increased cloud cover. And that's how you can know that a cold front and some stormy weather is coming next time you see more condensation nuclei and their chemical phase change process happening in the atmosphere above you. Well, that's all for Anello Answers It this week. If you have a weather question, be sure to email it to me at gnello@waytv.com because I would love to hear from you.